Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are having a great day. So today we are going to be testing the ELF CAMO CC CREAM, and I know I'm kind of late onto the trend. This is a very viral product and everybody was talking about it. It has a lot of skin loving ingredients added to it. It has niacinamide, collagen and peptides added to it. And that is the reason why I'm reviewing the product, because generally I don't do makeup related reviews, but this has a lot of skin loving ingredients and skincare ingredients, so I thought why not just give it a shot. So I will try it and test it out for a couple of hours. I will check in back and show you how my skin looks. Currently I have nothing on my face. I'm sitting in direct sunlight, so you can see exactly how my skin looks. If you like the idea, give this video a thumbs up. Comment, let me know whatever you want to know or ask or whatever you want to say about the video. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot and it just supports my channel and supports me and support the process of me making the videos. So yes, okay, so this is what the product looks like. It comes in sort of a holographic kind of a packaging, which looks really cool. It has Camo CC Cream written all over the packaging. So these are the little details that are important to know if you want to buy original product. So I'm going to insert the price on screen for you, and this one is in the shade light 280N, and I hope that I found the right shade. I just tried my best to search for the perfect shade for my skin tone, but you know how online works, it can be a complete disaster. So this is how many ounces? This is 1.05 ounces, 30 grams of product, and yes, let's see. Okay, so this comes in a pump, which is great. It is a pump with an SPF 30. Okay, so I think this is going to be enough, maybe, I don't know, we're going to see. Yes, let's do it. So I generally use, okay, what about the match? Well, I think it's slightly lighter than my tone, or maybe it's fine, I don't know, we're going to see. So I am going to apply half of my face with the brush and then the half of my face with my fingers, because I do tend to use my product with my fingers a lot. I wash my hands really extensively and then I apply my product using my fingers. Yes, it's definitely a tone lighter, but we are going to see, we are going to make it work. We have got just this shade to work with, so that's what we are going to do, and let's hope it works. Okay, so first impressions, it definitely has a lot of coverage. Okay, it's pretty light. Like, I don't usually go for a lighter tone foundations ever. I usually go with just a perfect match, or maybe one tone lighter if I know that the foundation is going to oxidize. Otherwise I just never go for lighter shades. So this is very light for my skin tone, but sometimes you apply foundation and then they seeps into your skin and they look fine. So we are going to hope for the best, and now I just do it with the fingers. Okay, definitely better. The fingers are always the best way to apply your foundation. I know I sound really... So we are going to try to apply. Like, on my hand you can see the shade looks fine, but on my face it looks not good. So let's just try to cover it up. I never cover up my acne or anything, but because we are testing this product, we are going to do it. And what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Okay, so honestly I think the shade match is not terrible. It's lighter. I would have loved it to be like one tone darker, and you can see in comparison to my hands, and your hands are slightly darker than your face color generally, and you can see the CC cream looks really good. The coverage is slightly like medium coverage, and I'm happy about it. So I'm going to check back in throughout the day and show you how well this will look. I'm going to apply minimum things on my face today because I'm really going to test out the CC cream itself, so stay tuned. Okay, so it is about a little past 7 p.m. right now, which means that the CC cream is on my face for like 5-6 hours, and this is what it looks like. Let me know what do you think. I think that it being a mattifying CC cream, it did a pretty good job. I don't see any oils or anything on my face. It looks pretty good. It's cracking up slightly over here. The only thing that was bothering me was the shade, but again with time it looked pretty fine. Like, it did look like my skin. to be very honest. And you cannot expect your foundation to look like absolutely flawless because your skin has texture to it, and foundations don't actually just eliminate everything. So setting realistic expectations, I think the product itself is a really good product. And the only thing that I will mention is that it is mattifying product, which means that it can dry out your skin, especially if you have dry skin to begin with. So I don't really think so that for dry skin people this will work really well, but for oily skin and for combination skin people out there, this product will look really good. And also the shade range is pretty good because they have neutral tones, they have warmer tones, and they have cool undertones to the product, which is actually a really good thing. That being said, I think for the price of it and for the availability of it and for the overall CC cream, like it has SPF to it, it is a cream, it is really good pigmentation to it, and it does do a pretty good job at color correction. All those things in one package, I think overall it's a pretty good product. I will use it obviously over and over again, and will maybe tell you someday in my stories how well this product will work over time. And yeah, that is it for this video. If you like this, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what you want me to do, anything you want to ask, any questions, any further product review recommendations or suggestions or your feedback, whatever. Basically you can just pen them or type them down below. I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to subscribe down below if you're not yet subscribed. I think I'm repeating the sentence anyways, that's how important it is for me right now. And yes, take care. Bye.